Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.5, question number 9. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. That is question number 9. 3 to 5z minus 7, 5z minus 7 minus 2, 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Therefore, we can write it here as we multiply this one 3 5 is 15z, 15z minus 3 7 is 21 minus 2 9 is 18, 18z minus into minus is plus 2 11 is 22 is equal to 4 into 8, 4 8 is 32, 32z minus 4 into 13, 4 3 is 12, 2 carry 1, 4 into 4 and 5, 52. 52 minus 17, or it can be written as 15z minus 18z, that is minus 3z minus 3z plus 22 minus 21 is plus 1 is equal to 32z minus 52 minus 17, that is minus 7 plus 2 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6, 69. Now transposing on transposing 32z to left hand side and 1 to right hand side, we get, here you see, that is minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3z minus 32z minus 35z minus 35, z is equal to minus 70. If we divide both sides by 35 minus 35, we are getting z is equal to minus 70 by minus 35, right? Minus minus is plus, 35 1 is 35, 35 2s are 70. Therefore, we get the value of z is equal to 2, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.